So, welcome to your next sound library. This time we're focusing on the closing diphthongs ending in E. This time the sounds are A, Oi, and I. A as in cake, way, say, Oi as in toy, boy, enjoy, and I as in pie, buy, and might. So A, here we start with E and end in E, but this makes the Y sound. So E. The same goes for Oi, so O, Y, and I, A, Y, so E, Oi, I. Now let's hear them one more time. So A, cake, say, way, Oi, toy, boy, enjoy, and then I, pie, might, buy. So the closing diphthongs in E, cake, toy, and pie.